Ah, futuristic. Alright, welcome to the channel. I'm Viper. Today is an unplanned video, but I had to show you guys what this thing is all about. Right now in v85, they came out with something that I've been hearing about for a while now. This keyboard that you'll be able to use on any kind of surface. And now with v85, they came out with it. Before, I used to use this keyboard. Let's get this out of the way. Go to settings, experimental features, do the Surface keyboard, and you see Surface keyboard right here. We're gonna click that. Place your hands on a flat surface. Let's do that. Ah, futuristic. Look at that right there. We have a virtual keyboard on here and a trackpad. The great thing about this keyboard is, if you see it right here, is that my mouse is moving. It's a virtual mouse. Just like that. And I can use it across platforms. Like I got it over here. And you see me drag it over here. It's just a virtual key. It's a virtual keyboard. This trackpad is huge. Look how big this trackpad is. It's a nice big trackpad. And it works good, just like that, and boom. But the star of the show is using it with your personal PC. So if I go here and I go to my PC right now, it's connecting, and look, I can use it in my PC, just like a regular mouse. That right there is important. Look, I'm just moving it right here, and you can see it. And if I go to the internet, boom, just do like that, and it works. Look at that. And then the typing is, this is, wow. And it's pretty accurate. I'm not even looking at the keyboard. So I'm gonna mess up a couple of times, but I'm not even looking at the keyboard and it works. This is something special. I know everybody been talking about Meta shutting down the studios and all that stuff. I get it. That is horrible, especially for the people that lost their jobs. But they are still focusing on their headset, the software, what makes it better, what we need. And I work in VR a lot. So this right here comes in handy. If I go to like my notepad right here, boom. I want to show y'all guys the keyboard. Y'all see it right here? Y'all see the keyboard? It's so dope. I'm hoping, because you know, when I'm in the Quest and you record, trying to figure out where it's actually going to record. That's crazy. But this is the keyboard. Hopefully you guys can see it. Y'all can see me moving the mouse and everything. I am inside of my notes. I want to just type something like the VR escape. And it's just typed. I didn't look at the keyboard and it worked. That's what I'm talking about. And what makes this so special? One, like I said, you can go cross-platform, right? You can go into here, then you can move it over here, and you can move it over here. You can use it to adjust your windows. You can hold it. You know how you do it, and then you just move it up and down if you want like that, which is great. You can use it to extend your windows, just like that. When you're trying to type in your passwords for like VR chat, or anything like that, you gotta log into Netflix account and trying to use that on-screen keyboard. It was cute, it was nice, it worked, but this is even better. The best part is when I'm using my PC and I wanna take this in the backyard, or if I want to take this whole thing in my room or in the living room and I just want to work. Better yet, if I want to take this at a coffee shop or in the car, I don't have to bring a keyboard and mouse no more. All I have to do is bring this headset. It's really becoming an all-in-one PC. I know a lot of people say it a lot, but this right here is a total game changer for reals. A keyboard that's on your physical desk. I can't say too much more about it. All right. So thank you guys for watching. I appreciate you guys. I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.